Question is, why? Puget Sound is polluted. It looks pretty, but it's polluted. And it's getting worse. What's the number one cause? Stormwater runoff. What's the number one solution? Stop stormwater runoff at its source. Keep the rain on site, right where it falls. Slow it down. Soak it in. Infiltrate it. Break down those hydrocarbons. Bind up those heavy metals. Let the clean water percolate down into the groundwater, just like it would in nature. Stormwater pollution starts here. Tar-based grit, toxic moss killers, zinc from galvanized nails. It starts here. Gunk from a warm engine, dripping oil leaks, grease, toxic antifreeze, tiny flakes of copper from your brake pad linings. It's sitting there on your driveway until it starts to rain.